Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis Auto Sports, and here we have a progress video of our 1998 Suburban 2500 that we are about midway point on our restoration on this. The truck itself is a one-owner Carfax certified guaranteed vehicle, a flawless history. Rarely, if ever, do you find these 2500s, especially as a one-owner. 79,000 original and documented miles, four-wheel drive, 7.4. Just got this truck reassembled from our paint department. Got a complete 100% full repaint. Those are factory colors on this. We do have the flares that are finished in the bottom color as well. We have all brand new leather seats on the inside of this Suburban. So you're gonna have a completely brand new exterior, new paint, new wheels, new tires, bumpers, grill, lights. We are not 100% sure what we're doing suspension wise, whether we're going to leave it a stock riding vehicle, considering just a mild lift, maybe a 2-inch lift, 33s. Maybe some airbag helper springs in the back, but the paint came out absolutely beautiful. It's been sitting out for a couple days in the shop, so it's a little bit dusty, but just absolutely beautiful paint. Once everything gets put back on, all the trim pieces and belt moldings and all that, it's going to really come together. Tan flares. So we are going to go ahead and market this truck. The beauty of putting these trucks on before they're finished is you, the end user, can really dictate the details: suspension, wheels, tires, chrome bumpers, painted bumpers, aftermarket bumpers, stock suspension setup, new suspension, big suspension. The important stuff has been done: paint and body, interior. A lot of the engine servicing has been done, seals, gaskets, which we'll get into detail of all that later. But super smooth paint. We haven't even wet sanded and buffed it. Anything you see on here is just a little bit of dust. Frame and undercarriage on this truck is absolutely beautiful, and as you see, everything gets removed: mirrors, moldings, trim pieces, so there's no tape lines. We will put the black trim down the side as well. So just wanted to show you guys this as a pre-listing progress video. Hope to have this done mid to late August. We're not too far away. Still have some paint stuff that has to get done. These trim pieces will come off, get sanded down and sprayed with a black finish. So truck should be very nice though. It's a one-owner truck, came in phenomenal condition. And the reason we painted it, guys, there was absolutely no body damage whatsoever, but we restore vehicles here. If you look around, there's a ton of vehicles in this shop that we restore. That's what we do. So if you guys have any questions about this, feel free to contact us directly. You can email me, jd@davisautosports.com. You can also reach the office at 855 XJ Jeeps. Thank you.